Windsor Castle, just one of Her Majesty's palaces currently being guarded by the Queen's Gurkha engineers. Gurkhas haven't been seen providing the Queen's Guard since 2015, when they did it to mark 200 years of service to the British Crown. Preparations for the role are intense. One squadron are currently honing their skills on the parade square in Aldershot ahead of taking over in May.
So in London we'll have responsibility for Buckingham Palace, St James's Palace and the Tower of London, but we'll also be doing duties at Windsor Castle as well.
The squadron can be nothing less than perfect, and it takes time to adapt to the different commands.
Day one, it was a bit of a loads of information. Drill is hard. It's all about discipline, putting yourself into discipline and putting everyone into discipline. As a drill instructor, that's our main thing. So putting everyone, do everything together. So yeah, we are getting there.
The Gurkhas are introducing some of their traditions to the ceremonial role. Each one will carry a kukri on parade instead of a bayonet. Well, these soldiers are looking pretty sharp at the moment, but they aren't good enough yet. And in all fairness, they're only 2 weeks into their training. They've got until the 2nd of May to get it right. That's when they have to go to Wellington Barracks for an inspection by the General Officer Commanding London District, who'll say whether they're up to the job or not. With 5 weeks to go, they seem to be on track.
I know it's a hard work. Drill is not easy, because just looking at it from outside, when you're not doing anything, it looks very easy, but when it comes to it, it's hard. But the thing is, as a soldier, you have to carry on, keep calm and carry on, I would say.
And what about your family? What did they say when they heard you'd be doing this?
They are really proud of me, because I used to tell them that I will be joining the British Army and will guard the Queen's Elizabeth II. So now here I am. So they are feeling really proud, and they say, "Well done, my son."
All being well, they'll be guard mounting at Buckingham Palace for the first time on May the 5th.